Good day everyone, this is Teacher Nori. In this video, we are going to talk about the effects of the phases of the moon. What are the effects of the phases of the moon on Earth? May it be superstitious belief or scientifically proven, the phases of the moon has effects on tides, weather prediction, planting, and fishing. What are tides? Tides are the periodic rising and falling of sea level with respect to land. The rising of sea level is high tide, while the falling of sea level is low tide. A tide occurs every 6 hours alternately. This is a chart that shows us a sample of a schedule for high tides and low tides. High tides occur every 12 hours, and as well as low tides, but they occur alternately of each other. So if we have a high tide at 12:19, we can expect a low tide at 6:30 and another high tide at 12:42 and another low tide at 6:53. Since the movement of the moon around the earth can be predicted and is periodic, the schedule for high tide and low tide can also be predicted. When the moon, earth, and sun are aligned, as in full moon and new moon, we experience higher high tides and lower low tides. This is called a spring tide. When the moon is perpendicular to the sun, like when it is the first quarter or last quarter, we experience a lower high tide and a higher low tide. This is called neap tide. Another effect of the phases of the moon is through planting crops. Many farmers believe that planting during specific phases of the moon may bring better harvest, as plants' growth is affected by the phases of the moon. During the waxing moon, moisture is at higher level. This may bring rapid germination, which is the reason why farmers opt to plant seeds during this time. During the waning moon, soil moisture is lower. This is the best time to trim plants, kill weeds, mow grasses, and cut timber. This is also the best time to cultivate the soil. This is a sample of a table that shows us the different crops that we can plant during the different phases of the moon. Moon and weather prediction. The movement of ocean water due to tides causes a difference in warming and cooling of water in a given area. This variation causes either a low pressure area or a high pressure area. Moon and fishing. The number of fish caught by fishermen is affected by the moon. During high tide, fishes are near the shore, so they are caught easily. During a low tide, it is easier to catch fish because they are in shallow parts of the sea. And that is the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Until next time!